Baked chips. Chips are placed on a tray. They cook inside an oven. Heat removes moisture slowly. The texture becomes crisp. Less oil is used. The color turns light golden. The chips are removed carefully. The crunch feels lighter. They provide a lighter option. Banana chips. Bananas are sliced evenly. The slices are fried or dried. The color turns golden. The texture becomes crunchy. A slight sweetness remains. They are cooled after cooking. The chips are stored in bowls. The bite feels firm. Scene 10. They offer a sweet snack option. Cassava chips. Cassava root is peeled and sliced. The slices are fried evenly. The texture becomes firm. The color turns pale golden. The chips feel thick. Salt is lightly added. The chips are cooled down. The crunch feels solid. They provide a simple taste. Corn chips. Cornmeal is shaped into pieces. The chips are cooked in hot oil. The structure becomes dense. The surface turns golden. The flavor feels strong and bold. They hold their shape well. They are served as snacks or sides. The crunch feels firm. They are widely recognized. Flavored chips. Seasoning is added after cooking. Powder coats each chip. Different flavors are created. Colors vary with seasoning. The aroma becomes stronger. The chips are mixed evenly. They are packed in bags. The taste feels bold. They offer variety in flavor. Kettle chips. Thicker potato slices are used. They cook in small batches. The frying process takes longer. The edges become uneven. The texture turns extra crunchy. Steam rises from the fresh chips. Seasoning is mixed evenly. The crunch feels stronger. They offer a deeper flavor. Multigrain chips. Different grains are combined. The mixture is shaped into chips. They are cooked evenly. The texture becomes layered. Each grain adds flavor. The chips are lightly seasoned. They are placed in a bowl. The crunch feels balanced. They offer mixed grain taste. Pita chips. Pita bread is cut into pieces. The pieces are baked or fried. The surface becomes dry and crisp. The texture feels light. They break easily when bitten. They are paired with dips. Hummus is often used. The flavor remains mild. They feel clean and simple. Potato chips. Thin slices are prepared from fresh potatoes. The slices enter hot oil. Bubbles form as they begin to fry. The color slowly turns golden. The texture becomes crisp. Salt is added on top. The chips are collected in a bowl. Each piece feels light and crunchy. They are enjoyed as a simple snack. Prawn chips. Raw crackers are placed in hot oil. They expand quickly. The shape grows larger. The texture becomes airy. The color turns light. They are removed from oil. The chips feel very light. A mild seafood flavor appears. They are served fresh and crisp. Protein chips. Ingredients like lentils are used. The mixture is shaped into chips. They are cooked carefully. The texture becomes
Let's
thick.
set up a quick fitness
The crunch
snack.
feels
Grab
strong.
your mat and
They are
unroll
packed
it.
as snacks.
And keep a water bottle
They are
nearby.
used in fitness diets. The flavor is balanced. They combine snack and nutrition. Rice chips. Rice is processed into thin shapes. The chips are baked or fried. The texture becomes light. The color stays pale. The crunch feels gentle. They break easily. They are served simply. The flavor remains mild. They feel clean and crisp. Sweet potato chips. Scene 2. Orange slices are prepared. Scene 3. They cook slowly in oil. The edges begin to curl. The texture becomes crisp. A natural sweetness appears. Salt or spices are added. The chips are plated neatly. The color looks rich. They feel slightly softer than regular chips. Tortilla chips. Corn tortillas are cut into triangles. The pieces are fried or baked. The shape becomes firm and crisp. The color turns light golden. The texture stays slightly firm. They are served with dips. Salsa is often added alongside. Each bite feels crunchy. They are common in shared meals. Vegetable chips. Scene 2. Different vegetables are sliced thin. Scene 3. Each slice is cooked carefully. Scene 4. Colors remain vibrant. Scene 5. The texture becomes crisp. Scene 6. Each vegetable adds its own taste. Scene 7. The chips are mixed together. Scene 8. A colorful
A
bowl
healthy
is
snack
prepared.
full of fresh
Scene
berries,
9.
crisp
The
vegetables,
crunch
and
varies
crunchy
slightly.
nuts.
Scene 10.